You hear disco music and now gusto mo nang mag-skate. Tara, let's! This is Kay, your favorite food, travel, and lifestyle content creator. Ngayong araw, nandito tayo sa Fisher's Mall sa roller disco. So, we're gonna try roller skating with disco lights and music. Ano pang hinihintay nyo? Let's go! Upon purchasing the ticket, tatanungin kung may dala kang extra socks. Otherwise, bibili ka for 55 pesos. Kailangan hindi siya yung suot mong socks but rather may dala ka pang fresh na extra socks. And they will assist you also sa paglalagay ng gears. So, hindi ka masasaktan kung sakaling mag-fall ka. Char! Meron din silang coaching instructor dun sa loob. Marunong naman na talaga akong mag-skates, but then pagtayo ko parang nabigla and sabi ni coach medyo malaki yung steps ko, mahihirapan ako. So it took a while. I needed to relearn to navigate and then yun na. Pero syempre medyo conscious pa ako dito dahil hawak ko yung camera. I don't wanna be falling tas wala namang sasalo. Aray ko. Minsan talaga kailangan mo ulit pag-aralan kahit alam mo na. At normal lang yon to relearn and remaster. And just like life, minsan kailangan mo madulas or madapa para you know where you can rely on and lean on. This is your sign to try disco skating. So this is the price and then the schedule. Help yourselves! I hope nag-enjoy kayo and dapat gusto nyo na rin mag-disco skates. Like, share, and follow cause every story gets better when shared. It will be happier kung naririnig nyo yung original song dun sa background. Kaya lang maka-copyright ako. So, dinisable ko na lang. So, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Tara na sa Fisher's Mall. Life is too short to not be so happy. Do the rush. Take that leap of faith. Enjoy life. Ta-ta!